Major government agricultural schemes in India provide direct income support. PM Kisan rupees 6,000 per year. Crop insurance PMFBY, pension PMKMY, and infrastructure development AIF. These initiatives focus on enhancing farmer income, promoting sustainable practices like organic farming, improving irrigation efficiency, and providing access to credit, digital marketplaces, e-NAM, and technology. Key central sector schemes and initiatives. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan direct income support of rupees 6,000 per year in 3 installments directly to farmers. 15 government schemes for farmers in India. Direct income Pradhana Mantri Kisan Samman Income Support, Kisan Credit Card, subsidized credit, Kisan Credit Card, subsidized credit, credit and insurance, Pradhana Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana crop insurance, PM Kusum support for solar pumps, soil health card, soil nutrient analysis, e-NAM, I National Agriculture Market, PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana Micro Irrigation, Krishi Vikas Yojana Organic Farming, Agriculture Infrastructure Funds supports warehouses, National Beekeeping and Honey Mission, Beekeeping Promotion, Kisan Rail and Krishi Udan, Refrigerated Transport, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, State Project Grants, Submission on Agricultural Mechanization, SMAM, 10,000 Farmer Producer Organization Scheme, FPO Formation, Soil Health Card. Key central sector schemes and initiatives. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan direct income support of rupees 6,000 per year in 3 installments directly to farmers' bank accounts. Pradhana Mantri Fasal Bhima Yojana PMFBY comprehensive low premium crop insurance against natural calamities, pests, and diseases. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana PMKMY, a voluntary contributory pension scheme for small and marginal farmers 18 to 40 age group, providing a minimum pension of rupees 3,000 per month after 60 years. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund AIF provides medium to long term debt financing for post harvest management, infrastructure, and community farming assets. Pradhana Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana PMKSY aims to increase irrigation coverage, Har Khet Ko Pani, and improve water use efficiency per drop more drop. Promises kept. MSP operations for Kharif marketing season 2020 to 21 begins. Government continue procurement of crops at MSP as per existing MSP schemes. Procurement of paddy started from 26th September 2020 in Haryana and Punjab. 44,809 MT of paddy having MSP value of rupees 84.60 crore procured from Punjab and Haryana in 3 days. Approval accorded for procurement of 14.09 LMT of pulses and oilseeds from TN, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Haryana. National Agriculture Market (eNAM), an electronic trading portal connecting existing APMC mandis to create a unified national market for agricultural commodities. Soil Health Card (SHC) scheme provides farmers with soil nutrient status, recommending optimal fertilizer use to improve soil health. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY) promotes organic farming through cluster-based approaches and participatory guarantee systems. Submission on Agriculture Mechanization (SMAM) encourages the use of agricultural machinery and equipment through subsidies. Namo Drone Didi, a scheme aimed at enabling rural women self-help groups to operate drones for agricultural purposes. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY). Pesticide or fertilizer spraying. Specific sector and regional support. National Beekeeping and Honey Mission (NBHM) promotes scientific beekeeping. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana (RKVY) Raftar focuses on strengthening infrastructure, innovation, and agri-entrepreneurship. Karnataka specific initiatives include Karnataka Raita Samruddhi Yojane, Chief Minister Raita Vidyanidhi, and Krishi Bhagya scheme. These schemes are intended for various agricultural purposes such as purchasing inputs, crop protection, and supporting livelihood during crises. Farmers can find more details or register via the My Scheme portal or local agricultural offices. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan. Saaf Niyat Sahi Vikas. Record budgetary allocation for record outcomes. Farm credit target raised to rupees 11 lakh crore for 2018 to 19. 2,000 crore for agri-market infrastructure fund setup. Corpus of rupees 10,000 crore to create infrastructure in fishery, agriculture and husbandry sectors. Rupees 1,290 crore allocated under National Bamboo Mission to help setting up small industries. Tax incentives to promote post-harvest agricultural activities. Namo Drone Didi.